Yeah, so let's separate the AI technology into its stacks, right? So the infrastructure layer is very expensive. So that's the building a foundation model, right? So that's the part which is very expensive. And that's where companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, Google with Palm, Pathways language model, Meta with Llama, they've been at the forefront of this because those companies have the resources and the dollars to invest in this stuff, more so than startups, right? Now, but the next level up is the application layer, right? And arguably there's a middleware layer in there, but let's just focus on the application layer. That's where startups have tremendous opportunity. And in that sense, there are parallels to the cloud. You know, when we saw the SaaS wave happen, and we are continue to see it happen over the last 20 years, we saw that the economies of scale plays, providing cloud services like compute, storage, networking, you know, those obviously worked in the favor of the Amazons, Googles, and Microsofts. But the applications, the Workdays, the ServiceNows, you know, the even the Netflixes, they're hosted. They're building, you know, verticalized applications, horizontal applications on top of the hyperscalers. And the situation here is very analogous. If you're a startup, on one hand, today you can access most of these uh, foundation models through APIs very easily, and the opportunity for them is in leveraging that to build solutions that are specific to solving industry and functional needs, which are markets that you know are going to be not so interesting to the hyperscalers who are focused on building more the scaffolding around all of this.